wapa o. Ya womrantie ne maba wapa. Na ya chairman ya obimpe. Me chairman ade ba ko na me re infinida. Last Palmas okoto tease te we bia no dia brem.
On side ne wono ye kokuma say elections time no.
Me say
ne bobi ni we.
Chairman be kwa okoto tease. Na wonim chairman timi that na me nche wo fia ma time wo de be nom na dro so agye se ye kofa dro ne wo fie de brem.
Obi an yire wu an yire sha ye mo kire no. Okoye aduane ne wono na de buka obi a wodi aweho no.
Mugabe Ashanti region there I said they are very unique people. They are very unique people.
Mago, then I chance yanko.
Mugabe na yes Ghana's crisis and measures taken by government.
But the can do media no me say what
video no.
Comment on that.
Na Mugabe me hu ya unu asama me kan.
Ye machine.
Mugabe nanu ya you see we obi na timi atwa ba na ye hu. Nanu ya me amisu hum Anglican. Omo ye omo polling station elections. Me mate ba kwa na so your contest chairmanship or me mate wo esum SOS. Mugabe say one Samira nua yi ne nam ewo de wo nadmu no ono so kra metie ne nka ache Samira nua no ba umi akunta no Mugabe abranche no so okofo polling station chairman on guy ba ko Frank ono what military fu ebegu so hum afi me hwesam ti na when na speaker military yayi no na ye de ama madam fu yana Mugabe na minim say military fu ho aye scarce o say it me yi the come up the all contested polling station na Mugabe sika pa say sika polling station election you to say NDC branch elections o any sika ni o man mu na Mugabe me hold do me dey anya me wan because branch dia kra yi polling station dia me hu osu hum no na je say do me kwa benya dia kra dia so minim say na police fo ni soldier fo ni adwuma ye e wo krom ha che say MPP elections na ye di omo ye o MPP polling stations elections. And I redraw speaker, ni military officers. And ye diama we num to mo fan koye polling station. It is all over. We nyame na abo ni yenya video baako. Wo bia. Ordinary polling stations elections. Any mobile constituency, no mobile regions, no mobile national, no more come flag bearership in there. And Mugabe a police for yenya chesa asamo to kra wunya unho police ni kra wo kwan so na wetimi direct traffic and na regulate traffic crime. Mugabe enya way na your state institutions that say omo you. Our state institutions are supposed to be neutral. Enti dia party for ne dia omo ye no wonder say your party police for. I am very sure say no professional police will lower himself to this level. Your party police for no mu yusu. Na no also na wo share records ya police for omo kunku omo ho, police for omo ya am robbery na share records ya. Na na do danko akufu ado time oba ye odi fa police besi ene ye omo kunku omo nia no. And you see this is the kind of job they are cut for. If they want party policing, omonti another depot mom, no monti headquarters mom, who said these are MPP because now don't know crack. I said very soon the militia on our side. And it's all no mu you see because Ghana police yes I dear ya ekosi. Mugabe yenim Ghana police ye ra kudalo mo beda no Ghana police yes I dear we. Yenim Ghana police. And this for ya abusive police say. And to this type of police officers, I doubt whether they are really professionals who have gone through the minimum of 6 months training to come and protect lives and properties. Yes, I remember the police is always your friend. And see, Usha Subanya, and then another danko police for you done dia. Mugabe, akakakra. Yanka so amunya Ghana for yanka se mamon for police. But entity yana standard a call with the vision and mission and objective of the Ghana police no. And yesa mama omu free home. Mo yesa na mo die no guase aba be kan ye nyina. Enti ye radam pare social media policing. Ade omu ye say do polling agent policing. Polling agent policing. Polling agent policing. Under your constitution no ya political parties ya hihye mra nyina wo ho se e wo se wo call branch elections no mo wotie video na nipa na okasa na omo they are qualified to vote no police for the soldier for na be yi omo pie e de omo pe kwa akoto aba na where democracy
do or die. Now
you see na do danko Akufo-Addo he never practiced democracy in his party. And na odia be the president until the values no kita no enti me Mugabe me tis I review asem so say review free SHS and I say papa nankasa the values odi be the president he has to review it ono na do nankasa o here review o here review as a president of Ghana ne values ne niema o dwogidie wom now we see me blame ni bebre because o man panin kofo ka asem bi na yante ase o se adwuma ne yemfo obi a wasua na we hu na dan kwa be foreign minister na sasa na Ghana yenya slot be outside enti most of the time no ni Ghana most of the times no wa broach enti amambo no man panin kofo bu ye no wa hu bi wanya apprenticeship adwuma na man panin kofo kan ye no and omo mampanin kofo ni omo bu Ghana mine na o mampanin kofo obuo ni dia woni ho aye nyina ye nim no Mugabe omo na na do afom aban omo ye kakra bi enti amembo nankasa omo hu so enu nti na da ne da nyina no me ka kira Ghana fo se senti a o mampanin John Dramani Mahama pe na crisis ya ye wo mi Mugabe oye the only person obetimi aboa ye ne say he has been a president before and he has the experience. Mugabe yanka so be ntimi di president o but the ye can say empempen so ye wo mu ni situation na do dan kwakufa do di ye wura no ye hia obi oba be ye try and ye can sample try your luck try and error ye hia obi o what the experience because it is only President Mahama who can solve this problem for us obi a why ye bi da obi a onim kwan obefa so be hey President Mahama betimi ye swearing in Mugabe I won't be surprised that the next day no betimi announce the cabinet because he has been a president before onim dia oye say say ni ye hia try and error biemo because nanado ennim adwuma no buy no hu ba bi odi ya ba and the full ye to no 14 cedis and they say ye to 50 Ghana cedis per gallon. Too much. Mugabe, me say anya me wan say next week because Makacha will say a bold distributing company for no more the ma OMCs na at a forward rate into dollar ya mumu hu ni sisi say atra 8 na etwemu no OMCs no fuel stations almost ton more than what is on the board. Into the fuel prices no emba femu ne emba femu china I just say bahumia nyansabo akwa I just say wache dollar I just say MPP mu nyansabo akwa bahumia wache dollar no say bahumia ntimi anche dollar ne dia Mugabe fuel no ene ye nyina asema kacha just ye use okada
I thought you said taxes in that show omonye ho bibi
me say the price build up na wo fuel no so taxes inquire over 45 to 60%.
Was it calls for scrapping or some fuel taxes in the right direction attaching
Mugabe taxes nkwa na me bisa sa toll debt recovery levy na that so no toll debt recovery levy na that Mugabe toll debt ni yentu anwie e da so da fuel prices ne so ye den Mugabe sanitation levy was so Mugabe road fund levy was so Mugabe aside toll debt recovery levy yes also was toll yes also was recovery levy yes also was so be aside the toll debt no enti sa mienu no wo difference no Mugabe unnecessary to borrow their words nuisance taxes and on my penny Mahama kind no dear sese ye jeje to no kra ye di ye no mo dwane afiri to no hye ye ne ho
di to
and mode ye niema foforo
di to
emra pa de mra na do dan kwanye na ju so bebu mra wo manyi mu da
se wa bruni
fiti through besifem and the MPP aban and Mugabe and a review yeah almost all flagship programs including free SHS app for free SHS upon kroma so mu betwam eno ano no I know na do ne upon kroma ne na do ne ba o mi ase almost free